Yoga is a holistic practice that originated in ancient India and has been practiced for thousands of years. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, meditation, and ethical principles to promote overall health and well-being. The word yoga itself means union or connection, reflecting its goal of integrating the body, mind, and spirit. Here are some key aspects and benefits of yoga. Physical postures. Yoga involves a series of postures that help improve flexibility, strength, balance, and posture. The practice of asanas can also enhance body awareness and promote better body alignment. Breathing exercises. Pranayama techniques involve controlling and regulating the breath. These exercises help calm the mind, increase energy levels, and improve respiratory function. Meditation and mindfulness. Yoga incorporates various techniques for meditation and mindfulness, which aim to cultivate present moment awareness, reduce stress, and promote mental clarity and relaxation. Stress reduction and relaxation. Yoga provides a means to relax and unwind from the stresses of daily life. It can help lower cortisol levels, reduce anxiety, and induce a state of deep relaxation. Improved mental well-being. Regular yoga practice has been shown to enhance mental health by reducing symptoms of depression, improving mood, increasing self-awareness, and promoting a positive outlook on life. Increased strength and flexibility through consistent practice. Yoga can help develop strength, flexibility, and endurance in the muscles. It targets both major muscle groups and smaller stabilizing muscles. Enhanced mind-body connection. Yoga emphasizes the connection between the mind and body, promoting a greater sense of self-awareness and self-acceptance. It encourages practitioners to listen to their bodies, honor their limitations, and cultivate a non-judgmental attitude. Improved balance and coordination. Many yoga postures require balance and coordination, which can be developed through regular practice. This can be particularly beneficial for older adults in reducing the risk of falls. Cardiovascular health. Certain types of yoga, such as vinyasa or power yoga, involve more vigorous movements and can provide a cardiovascular workout, improving heart health and stamina. Lifestyle and ethical guidelines. Yoga is not just a physical practice, but also encompasses principles for living a balanced and ethical life. These principles, known as the yamas and niyamas, include concepts such as nonviolence, truthfulness, contentment,